The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been shown to us for the first time in real life. Furthermore, while it may first seem to be almost similar to its predecessor, a closer examination shows several little but significant differences. Weibo tipster Satsuma Digital is responsible for the leak. He sent a picture that seems to show the Fold 7 in the wild and what may be a screen protector for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. We are aware of your thoughts now. Hold on, isn't it the Fold 6 only? It's reasonable to ask, given how similar the designs are, but there are a few obvious clues that something else is in the works. Let's start with the color. The Z Fold 6 lineup does not include this hue of ice blue. Either Samsung is feeling cold this year, or the new Z model is on the horizon. Next, look at the frame. The back's metal surrounds are no longer there. That would indicate that Samsung is making changes to the design, perhaps aiming for a sleeker, cleaner appearance. Thirdly, the flash compared to the Fold 6, it sits somewhat lower. Not much of a change, but enough to imply that this is more than a simple repaint job. Although this single picture doesn't prove anything, there are rumors that the Fold 7 will be somewhat bigger. In contrast to the Fold SIXS 7.6 and 6.3 inches, we're talking about 8.2 inches when open and 6.5 inches when closed. Thus, a little more screen space for your multitasking requirements. Other speculated improvements include a slimmer profile, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite CPU for lightning-fast performance, and a gigantic 200-megapixel primary camera that bids farewell to the outdated 50-megapixel sensor. Regarding the actual announcement, if past events are any indication, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will most likely be introduced during a Galaxy Unpacked event in July. However, this is Samsung. If further leaks appear before then, we wouldn't be shocked. How do you feel about the upcoming Z Fold 7's new appearance? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.